Let's reload this so that it's not... Okay. Alright, so that's pi. We know that because 2 pi is 360. And we're going to mute that because it's going to get old real fast. 1, 0. So the x value is 1. So this would be 0, 0, 1. The coordinate for this one is 1 over 2 comma 3 square root 3 over 2, and right across from it is the negative version of both of them. So this is 180 and this is 90, so that'd be right there because that's the 45 line of the second quadrant. This one is positive square root 3 over 2 comma 1 over 2. So once again, it's just right across to get them both negative. This is 45 degrees. 210. This is the original 1 over 2 comma root 3 over 2. And this one's got the negative just in the second one. So what you're going to do is look at it and find its counterpart right there. And a way that will help you remember that is you can fold the whole thing in half like this, or picture it. These two will touch. So that's how you find out that they are together. My mom has just gotten home, and I'm not... No, I'm making a video.
You're what?
I'm making a video for math.
Oh, sorry.
So this one is root 2 over 2 for both x and y, and then the one with the negative as the second value with the negative. Once again, you just come over here and find the one that goes with it over here. I recommend color coding it on the test. I don't know, that might help. Okay, so x is 0, y is negative 1. Okay, so for this one, so this pi over, it goes pi over 3, pi over 4, pi over, wait, no, never mind. It goes pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3. So 6, 4, 3. So pi over 4, that's all of the 45 ones. So this, since this is pi over 4, we can count this from here to here is pi over 4. Then from here to here, that's another chunk that's also, like, just this part would be pi over 4 as well. But so 2 pi over 4 is this, which is simplified. And then once you count, this is 3 pi over 4. So you're just continuing to count around the circle. 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, and then you land at 7 pi over 4 right there. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is 0 or 1 or 360. Pi over 6 is this one right here, because it goes 6, 4, 3. So then, oh god. Here's another one related to pi over 4, which is this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pi over 4. Okay, so this one, this original, this this original one here is square root 3 over 2, comma 1 over 2. So you just take it and find the one over here because it's got just a negative in the y spot. This one, 330, because 40, 50, 60 right there. I assume you're good on the regular degrees. So this one is exactly that. And remember, it goes root 3 over 2 starts, then square root 2 over 2, and then 1 over 2 for the x values. So this one, and then this relates to this one, but on this side here, because the x is negative, because it goes all positive, x is negative, all negative, y is negative. So positive, first negative, negative, second negative. Okay, so if this is pi over 3, that means this whole section here is pi over 3. And you can count to the next section over here. So it goes 1, 2 to find 2 pi over 3. Because this is 60 degrees, and then from 60 to 90, that's 30, and then from here to here, that's another 30, so it's another 60 degrees. So you're moving from at 60 degree intervals. So 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. And this one is there. So this is 270, 280, 290, 300, 315, it would be right here. And that's 90 degrees, 300. Okay, so remember this is 6 pi over 6. So this little chunk here is 1 pi over 6. And then 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6 would be right here. This is 270, it's one of the main ones. This is the regular positive 45 line, which is pi over 4 here, by the way. Okay, so this is 180, right? 30 back from that's 150. These are both negative, so it goes right across from this one, right here. Okay, so this is pi over 3, right? So we just count in intervals of 60. So 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. Right there. And then if 180 is pi, that means half of that would be 90, so pi over 2. So this one will belong over here, and it relates to this one, so right there. And okay, so this is pi over 4, so 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4 would be right here. 60 degrees. So this is the one, the positive one, that's 1 over 2, comma root 3 over 2. This one will be in this quadrant because it's got a negative x, so it just relates to this one like that, right there. Alright, remember this is pi over 6, so just count 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6 pi, right there. So this one, this is 0, 0, x equals negative 1, y equals 0, so right there. And here we count the pi over 6's again, so 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, right here. And all the other ones are, like, this is 2 pi over 6, it's just simplified when you actually look at it. Okay, so this one, this is pi over 2, like 1 pi over 2, right? So this would be 2 pi over 2, and then this is 3 pi over 2. Alright, this one, x equals 0 and y equals 1, so this one right here. So this is 90, 100, 110, 120 would be right there. And remember, this is pi over 4. Here's 30 degrees. This one is the positive version of that. This is pi over 3, because remember, it goes pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3. 6, 4, 3. Okay, this is 180, 190, 200, 210 would be here, and then another 30 from that would be 240 right there. Here's 180. Okay, remember this is pi over 3, so in 60-degree intervals, we got 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, right here. And this one is the last one, and you know it's one of the 45 lines because it has a 5. If this is 210, you just add 15 to that to get 225.